Hello everyone, this is Brady with Lewis Motor Company, and today we're taking a look at our 2007 GMC C6500 box truck. This box truck is showing 133,664 miles at the time of this video. Start it up here. It has an Isuzu 7.8 liter turbo diesel and an automatic transmission. This is an under CDL truck, has hydraulic brakes, and anyone could drive it. It's about the biggest chassis you can get and still being under CDL. It has a 24-foot box on the back. We will take care of that ABS light on. It popped up randomly today. But it's in pretty nice shape. It has some cosmetic flaws, as you see there on the front clip. It has a small fiberglass issue. Little damage on the top box there, but nonetheless, this thing runs and drives very strong. The 24-foot box, like I said. You can still see a little bit of residue from the previous company, and but overall, the box is pretty straight. It has some small cosmetic damages, but no leaks that I noticed. It's got an aluminum fuel tank. All these tires are in really nice shape. They look fairly new. I have to check the date codes, but they're very deep on tread. Get this frame. The frame's in good shape. You know, you're just looking at just surface rust, really. But the thing goes down the road pretty nicely. The alignment is just a little off. But it is a big truck and goes down the road pretty good for what it is. This is an aluminum liftgate. It's powered by a switch there. This does work 100%. We're replacing that switch. It's just a little funky. I got that liftgate switch off currently, but inside the box, fairly nice and clean. We don't see any leaks in the roof. A little dirty in here, but the floor is in really nice shape. Got the E-Track system on the side. It's a very strong running box truck. In fact, I think it's helped a couple people move here at Lewis Motor Company, but it's been a good, faithful truck. Had it a little while, but it's time to sell it now. That is Isuzu. It's got plenty of power. It's very quiet. Inside the cab, it's quiet. I like those engines. But overall, this thing's ready to work. We've just got to replace that liftgate switch. It works. It's just a little worn out, but other than that, this truck's ready to rock and roll. You can check it out for sale on eBay. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. Be happy to help you with this thing. Thanks for watching.